You are watching the Dougherty Valley GHAD Worker Environmental Awareness Training video for the slide repair at Cami Court. The United States Fish and Wildlife Service and California Department of Fish and Wildlife require that all on-site personnel be informed that there could be wildlife species and environmentally sensitive areas that need to be protected and avoided. It is important that you follow the required procedures. You could encounter protected wildlife species on this site, including California red-legged frog, California tiger salamander, American badger, and birds of prey, such as hawks and burrowing owl. Do not attempt to harm, capture, or relocate any wildlife. California red-legged frog is a federally listed species protected by law. It is a medium-sized frog that is brown, gray, olive, or reddish in color with black flecks. This frog may be identified by skin folds that are present on both sides of the frog, extending from the eye to hip. Unpermitted handling of this frog could result in fines and project delays. The California tiger salamander, or CTS, is a federally and state-listed threatened species. CTS needs both suitable upland terrestrial habitat with mammal burrows for refuge and temporary breeding ponds in order to survive. American badgers live and forage on this property. Badgers are known to be aggressive, and adequate physical distance should be maintained. All native bird species are state and federally protected by law. The project is located in and adjacent to habitat that birds use for nesting and foraging, such as burrowing owl. If you or a coworker see a grounded or injured animal, please stop work in the area and contact the LSA project biologist or GBI supervisor. Before you move heavy equipment, check under the tires to see if wildlife is present throughout the day. Orange construction fencing may surround the project footprint. It is important that you do not remove any construction fencing or enter environmentally sensitive areas. If you're unsure, please contact your project biologist or supervisor. We appreciate your cooperation.